Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes of Gokuldas Public School, Khargone. I am Kritika Paliwal and you are studying English with me. And this is the time for your English lecture and we will be starting today our 4th chapter of English grammar, that is the adverb. You can find this chapter in your term 2 Pansy on page number 16. Please open page number 16. We are going to study adverbs. Okay, what are adverbs? They are one of the parts of a speech. Okay, see what parts of speech we have studied: noun, adjective, articles, right? And now it's time for us to study adverbs. Okay, I hope you remember what are adjectives, क्योंकि अभी कुछ टाइम पहले अभी हमने adjectives पढ़े थे, right? So Adjectives are the words that describes noun. Alright. Adverbs are the words which add something. Adjectives are the words which add something to noun. Adverbs are the verbs which add something to the meaning of verb. Verb means जो action words होते हैं, है ना, जो हमें बताते हैं कि कुछ काम हो रहा है, right? So what are action words? Like writing, talking, singing, dancing, standing, speaking, thinking, running, raining, and a lot more. Okay. So adverbs, इनके नाम में ही verb है. Okay. So no confusion. Adverb हमें बताता है कि कुछ काम हो रहा है, right? वर्ब हमें बताता है कि कुछ काम हो रहा है. एडवर्ब हमें बताता है कि काम किस तरह हो रहा है. ओके, एडवर्ब्स आर द वर्ड्स दैट ऐड समथिंग टू द मीनिंग ऑफ अ वर्ब. ओके, लेट मी राइट द डेफिनेशन हियर फॉर यू. द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एडवर्ब सेज दैट an adverb is a word that adverb is a word. Okay, adverb क्या है? एक word है. Okay, which adds something to the meaning of a verb. Okay. Oh, seems like a very long definition I have written, right? But I'll explain it. No, don't worry. An adverb is a word. Adverb एक word है which adds something, जो कुछ add कर देता है. क्या add कर देता है? To the meaning of a verb. किसी भी वर्ब का जो मीनिंग होता है उसमें कुछ तो ऐड कर देता है. वो क्या चीज है? लेट्स सी दैट विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम एग्जांपल्स. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जांपल, he writes. Okay, वह लिखता है. He writes, लिखता है. That means this word write, it is what? Write, लिखना क्या है? It is a verb, है ना? He writes, लिखना. I am also writing. I am also doing some work here, right? कुछ काम हो रहा है ना, मैं भी यहाँ लिख रही हूँ, कुछ कर रही हूँ मैं, right? So write, to write means to do something, right? It's an action word. What are action words? Action words are verbs. So writes, write एक action word है, मतलब एक verb है, right? So he writes. ठीक है, हमें पता हो गया कि वो लिखता है, right? वह लिखता है. Some boy is there who is writing. एक boy है वो लिखता है ना. पर अब लिखना वो कैसे लिखता है वो हमें बताता है एडवर्ब। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई कंटिन्यू दिस सेंटेंस, ओके, इफ आई ऐड समथिंग टू द सेंटेंस, ही राइट्स नीटली, ही राइट्स नीटली। अब हमें पता चला है कि वो कैसे लिखता है, वो बहुत नीटली लिखता है, बहुत नीट एंड क्लीन लिखता है ना। ही राइट्स नीटली, बहुत साफ सफाई के साथ लिखता है, ठीक है। तो क्या आपको उसके बारे में कुछ पता चला? हाँ, उसके बारे में तो नहीं, बट हाँ वो कैसे लिखता है उसके बारे में पता चला है। ही राइट्स नीटली। सो दिस वर्ड नीटली, इट इज एन adverb. Okay? He writes neatly. Writes is a verb. अब verb के मीनिंग में ही कुछ और चीज हमने ऐड कर दी, राइट? वर्ब को ही थोड़ा सा और हमने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया, डिफाइन कर दिया इस वर्ड के साथ, नीटली के साथ, है ना। He writes neatly. तो अब ये जो वर्ड neatly, this word neatly is the adverb of the sentence. Okay, let me write one more sentence for you. नीरा वॉक्स, ओके, नीरा चलती है, ठीक है। अच्छा, कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का सेंटेंस ले लेते हैं। नीरा इज वॉकिंग, ओके। नीरा इज वॉकिंग मतलब नीरा चल रही है ना। सो नीरा is walking. So this word walking is the verb, right? This word walking is the verb. What is this? It's a verb. पर अब वो कैसे चल रही है हमें नहीं पता है ना। चलना, ठीक है, वो धीरे भी चल सकती है, फास्ट भी चल सकती है, वो रुक रुक कर भी चल सकती है, कैसे भी चल सकती है, ठीक है। So Neera is walking. Let me write slowly. Okay. So Neera is walking slowly. अब हमें पता चला है कि नीरा कैसे चल रही है। Okay. Neera is walking slowly. नीरा धीरे धीरे चल रही है, ठीक है, वो बहुत ही से केयरफुल रहती है, जल्दी जल्दी चल के उसे चोट नहीं लगानी है। So Neera is walking slowly. Okay, and admiring all the things. Well, Neera is walking slowly. Here is slowly word. The word slowly. Somehow this word describes this action, right? Somehow this word slowly describes this action word walking. Okay? इस वर्ड slowly से हमें पता चल रहा है कि वो कैसे चल रही है, जो काम हो रहा है चलने का वो किस तरह हो रहा है, right? So walking slowly. Now here slowly. This word is the adverb. Okay, this word is the adverb. All right. So, are the adverbs easy to recognize? Yes. Only if you understand the concept well. So, please listen to the lecture carefully. Okay? Adverbs are easy, just like as adjectives. Let's take one more example because examples makes our understanding clear, right? Okay, the girl cries loudly. Okay, what is the meaning of this sentence? The girl cries loudly. The girl meaning to you know, right? We are talking about a girl. Cries. Cry means rona. Okay, the girl cries loudly. Loudly means जोर से. Okay, so the girl is crying loudly, right? The girl cries loudly. So what is the girl doing? She's crying, right? So this cry, अब रोना भी एक action word है ना? So the word cries is also an action word. It's a verb. Okay? So this is what? It's a verb. ठीक है, रोना भी बहुत टाइप का होता है ना? कोई बच्चा धीरे धीरे रोता है बिना आवाज के, कुछ बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा जोर से रोते हैं ना, परेशान हो जाते हैं आसपास वाले, ठीक है? सो जोर से नहीं रोना चाहिए. सो वैसे रोना ही नहीं चाहिए, ओके? बट हियर द गर्ल इज क्राइंग. सो ओके, व्हाटएवर. The girl cries loudly. Now this word loudly is defining this cry of the girl, right? The girl cries loudly. लड़की जोर से रोती है. कैसे रोती है? जोर से रो रही है वो, क्या जोर से रोती है? Loudly. So this word loudly is the adverb. This word loudly is the adverb. Okay? So adverb के बारे में थोड़ा सा I guess आपको क्लियर हुआ होगा कंसेप्ट कि the word that adds something to the meaning of a verb is called an adverb. Okay? An adverb is a word which adds something to the meaning of a verb. Okay? Verb का जो भी मीनिंग होता है उसमें जो थोड़ा सा और एक चीज हम ऐड कर देते हैं, वो वर्ड जो थोड़ी और चीजें ऐड कर देता है, ठीक है, थोड़ा और उसको डिस्क्राइब कर देता है, दैट वर्ड इज कॉल्ड एन एडवर्ब. ओके, नाउ देयर आर सम थिंग्स दैट आई नीड टू टेल यू अबाउट एडवर्ब्स एंड एडजेक्टिव्स. ओके, सो now you must be thinking, no, some people have this confusion कि adverbs are just like adjectives, right? आपने नहीं देखा था? Let me take the example of an adjective here. She is a beautiful girl. वो एक सुंदर लड़की है, ठीक है? Now, she is a beautiful girl. Can you tell me what is the adjective here? Of course, beautiful. Okay? Let's say not she. Let's say Alia. Alia is a beautiful girl. Okay? Now, this word beautiful is describing Alia. ये जो word beautiful है वो आलिया को describe कर रहा है ना कि वो किस तरह की लड़की है. आलिया एक सुंदर लड़की है, right? So this word beautiful, it is describing this word Alia. Now, can you tell me Alia? What kind of a word is this? Alia, कौन सा word है? Alia is a noun. It's the name of a girl, right? Alia is a noun. Okay? So, ये अभी मैं आपको क्या बता रही हूँ? I am telling you the difference between an adjective and an adverb. Because so many people have this confusion that adverbs and adjectives are kind of same. Okay? So, I am clearing out that difference for you. So Alia, it's a noun, alright? Beautiful, it is an adjective. ठीक है, आलिया एक नाउन है और इस नाउन को कौन डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है? Who's describing this noun Alia? This word adjective. So here, what conclusion have we come upon? We have come to the conclusion that adjectives describes the nouns, राइट। एडजेक्टिव्स वो वर्ड्स होते हैं जो नाउन को थोड़ा और डिस्क्राइब कर देते हैं। ऑल राइट, नाउ लेट मी टेक अनदर एग्जांपल। Now in this sentence, Alia is there only. Okay, Alia कहीं नहीं गई है. Alia reads clearly. In the previous sentence, what we have learned, what we have studied about Alia. Alia is a beautiful girl. Okay, now we know that this girl is beautiful. Okay, so वो जो beautiful था वो quality थी उस girl की, है ना? Now Alia reads clearly. Okay, here this word clearly is not describing Alia. It is describing the work that is done by Alia. Okay, like clearly. And reads. Reads, it is a verb. Okay, read ना, read करना, कुछ read कर रहे हैं तो some work is happening, right? Some action is being done there. So reads is a verb. Okay, now Alia reads clearly. Alia clearly क्या करती है? Alia reads clearly. Alia clearly पढ़ती है. Okay, Alia reads clearly. So this word clearly, it is describing what? Is it describing Alia? No, it is describing how Alia reads. Okay, ये जो word clearly है ये verb को थोड़ा और describe कर रहा है कि वो वर्क है ना, वर्क कुछ वर्क हो रहा है तो वो वर्क किस तरह हो रहा है. So the word it reads, she reads clearly, right? So this word clearly is an adjective. Okay, sorry, it's an adverb. Okay, well, it is there in the name of adverb only. Adverb के name में ही verb आता है, so that means उससे भी हम थोड़ा सा है ना confusion हमारा दूर कर सकते हैं कि adverb जो है वो verb को describe करते हैं. Okay, so don't get confused between adjectives and adverbs. Okay, now one more thing that we need to learn. I hope this difference is clear. Let me once revise it for you. Adjective and adverb. Both of them are the parts of a speech. Okay. So adjectives describes or adds something to noun or pronoun. Okay, so adjectives are those words which describes or tell us something more about nouns or pronouns or tell us the quality of that noun or pronoun. Okay, adjective वो words होते हैं जो हमें noun और pronoun की quality बताता है. ठीक है कि वो noun या pronoun वो किस टाइप का है. Okay, adverbs are the words that describes verbs. Okay, adverbs are the words that describes verb. Now I hope it is clear with this. Okay, now one more thing that I need to tell you about adjectives and adverbs. So okay, adjective and adverb. Now can you know we can make adverbs by adjectives. Okay, How? Let's see. So, sweet. Sweet is an adjective. ठीक है, मीठा. Okay, for example, this cake is sweet. Okay, or this chocolate is sweet. So chocolate, that is a noun, and here sweet. Sweet word जो है वो chocolate को describe कर रहा है, so obviously it's an adjective. So sweet is an adjective. What is an adverb? Sweetly, L भाई add करना है बस. SWEETL, sweetly. Okay. Similarly, neat. Neat is an adjective. Now what is the adverb that we can form with the help of neat? Neatly. Okay. Then loud. Loudly. Beautiful. Beautifully. Okay. So ऐसा नहीं है कि we can make all the adverbs from adjectives only. We can make most of the adverbs from adjectives. Okay. So this was one more thing about adjectives and adverbs. Okay. Now, one thing that you should know in this class is you should be able to recognize or identify an adverb in a sentence. Okay? आपको क्लास 2 में अभी सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है सीखना? आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना आना चाहिए कि एक सेंटेंस में एडवर्ब कौन सा है. ओके, सो आई एम गिविंग यू वन होमवर्क दैट यू विल डू इन योर notebook, English notebook. Okay, only 5 sentences I will give, and the question is, let me write it here. Okay, you also write it and please send me this homework so that I will be clear that you have understood this thing or not. So the question is, underline the adverb. In the following sentences. Okay, नीचे जो sentences दिए उसमें से आपको adverb को underline करना है. So the first sentence, and this is your homework for today. Okay, please do it and do send it to me. So first question, So the sentences are these. Seema writes beautifully. I'll explain the sentences, okay, properly, and then you have to figure out what is the adverb in the sentence. So Seema writes beautifully. सीमा बहुत सुंदर लिखती है. Okay. So writes is the verb beautifully. Okay. Beautifully word is it is describing this verb writes. So सीमा बहुत सुंदर लिखती है. सीमा सुंदरता से लिखती है. Ram talks happily. Okay. Ram talks happily. How is Ram talking? How does Ram talks? Ram talks happily. Okay. The farmer works hard. Okay. Farmer work करता है किस तरह? They work hard. Okay. They waited patiently. उन्होंने बहुत सब्र के साथ वेट किया. Patiently means अरे impatient, patient. That chapter number 10, story of the 4 seasons. Right? The seasons became impatient. So here they waited patiently. So उन्होंने बहुत सब्र के साथ इंतजार किया. ठीक है? He runs fast. वह दौड़ता है कैसे? तेज, fast. So please underline the adverbs. Do it in the notebook properly and do send it to me. Okay, on my number. You all are having my number. So this is it for today, and this is it for the adverb explanation. In the next lecture, we shall be doing the exercise given on page number 17 based upon adverbs. Okay. So till then, do the homework properly and send it to me. And enjoy yourself. Bye bye.